Hi. So I recently got something for my kayak, and it's a deck light. Previously, I was just using a light which is attached to my vest, and this is it. This is the flash light that you can attach to your vest. It's pretty bright, But the thing is, this is attached, like I said, only to your vest. So if you're paddling in the dark, and pretty much other boaters can't see you, because especially if they're on your backside, this is pretty bright. It works well, I think. And you can adjust the light mode to where it will blink, and also steady stream of bright light. uh yeah, so the one I just got is a deck light uh, from a kayak. So this is a pretty uh, sturdy looking deck light, and it's made out of I think polycarbonate, or maybe not, but it's hard plastic. uh, yeah, so basically this light, you'll just attach it at the stern of your kayak. It's actually meant for the stern, but I think you can also use this for the bow if you want two lights. Yeah, and it measured about 11.5 inches from the base to the tip of this light. And to operate, you just turn it clockwise, and voila, lights on. So it uses three AA batteries, and it could last up to 100 hours. So that's it. LED deck light for your kayak from Seattle uh, Paddler Supply. It doesn't say if it's made in China. I think it's made in US. It says durable, waterproof, and corrosion proof. Thanks for watching.